To track the damage left behind by Zeta in the Carolinas. 7 News' Asia Wilson joins us live from downtown Anderson. Asia, what are you seeing there?
Well, guys, what you're looking at is a massive tree toppled over a home again in downtown Anderson. We're off of Pope Drive. As you can see, crews are working on this particular home, trying to get the tree off of this house. And actually right next to it, there is another home with a tree in it as well. Now, earlier today, I spoke with the Anderson County Emergency Management, who tells me they received 75 calls since this morning throughout the county. 15 of those calls are right here in the city of Anderson. I'm also told 15,000 people are without power, but Duke Energy is staged here working to get power restored to as many residents as much as possible. Now, I've started my day out in the northern part of Anderson County after the Anderson County Road and Bridges crews told me the northern part of the county is where they're seeing some of the damage as well. And they also told me the Townville area is where they're seeing or receiving some of those calls of down power lines, trees down as well. But we will continue to bring you more updates throughout Anderson County throughout the day. Make sure you stick with WSPA.com on air and online. For now, we're live in downtown Anderson. Asia Wilson, 7 News.
Asia, thank you.